Today we're testing 5 life hacks that are supposed to make your life easier. That is, if they work. Yeah, honestly, you just never know with these online life hacks. We just might absolutely destroy a shirt. So the first thing we are going to test is, they said that if you spill a bunch of stuff on your shirt, you can use a dishwasher. You can put that on the stains and it will get them out, and then just chuck this in the washer. So first we're gonna stain this, put some of this detergent on it, and then we're gonna wash it, and then you have to wait till the end to see what happens, because it has to go through a wash cycle first. Oh no, I ate a hot dog. Oh no, I had a cup of coffee and I spilt it all over me. Oh no, I was in the kitchen cooking, which I don't cook, and I spilled oil all over my shirt.
What a day you've had.
I've really had a whole day. I cooked in the kitchen, I had some coffee, I had some ketchup. It's just really been a day. The hack says that you take dishwashing fluid, liquid, and you just...
Oh, wow.
On the shirt. In my head, this makes sense that it would work, but we're gonna see what happens. So far, nothing is happening. The shirt's just turning blue, and it looks even worse now. So this shirt has had a day.
Oh no.
Oh no, poor shirt. So we're gonna go stick this in the washer, see what happens, and then tackle some of these other life hacks. So I'm just gonna wash this shirt normally now, like I would all my other stuff. The next hack involves shaving cream, so we need to go somewhere else again, and not here. I don't know why we came back down here.
Me neither.
To the bathroom.
To the bathroom.
Okay, so this next hack is an AntiFog, and apparently they say you can use shaving cream and put it on glass and it won't be foggy anymore, but I don't know about that. So we're gonna try it. So you spray it on, and then you let it sit, and then you wipe it off, and it should be no fog. So another one I'm gonna test is smearing it. So these were both spray, and I'm gonna see if like smearing it is the key. This next hack, I feel like it has some potential. Say you are painting a room and you're done with your paint now, but you have it all over the rim. It's a pain getting this lid off because the paint will have basically sealed the lid shut. So you take some saran wrap or press and seal, put it over. Now you don't have to worry about your lid getting stuck to you ever again. Another thing you can do with the spray paint, same shindig. If you're spray painting, the paint gets all everywhere. Take this, seal it, press it, and next time all you have to do is peel this, and you have a clean spray paint all over again. And same with the paint. I love this hack because sometimes I feel like when the paint seals the lid on, you sometimes, yes, you get a really good seal down, but getting that lid off again is not easy. So this ensures that you have an easy time getting that lid off. I like it. Picasso. Oh no, I've used the wrong marker and I can't get it off. I actually learned this hack back in elementary school because we had a substitute teacher, and she came in and wrote on a whole lesson with Sharpie on the whiteboard, like a whole lesson. And so we all scrambled really quick so our teacher wouldn't get mad to figure out how to get it off, and Googled, and it said using an Expo marker would take it off. And it does. If you scribble over the permanent marker with these dry erase markers, it actually lifts the permanent marker off of the board, and it's gone. So that one works. That was a A+ in my books. Now, we don't ever want to remember a mistake that we made on our very dirty whiteboard. So we are going to clean it using some toothpaste, some whitening toothpaste, and some water. There's our toothpaste. Oh, wow. So if you don't have any cleaner at home, you can just use some toothpaste, some whitening toothpaste, and it'll take it right on up. It's so clean. You can see where I didn't clean it versus where I did, and I'm very impressed. My biggest concern was if these expo markers would be able to write on the board or if it would just not let them write at all, and it did. They write perfectly fine. We walked away for a minute, and our square has slid all the way down. Well, I guess it's time to find out if it worked or not. So now when we steam up the bathroom, we're just gonna have one long streak, I guess, instead of everything else that was there before, if it worked. Okay, we got it all cleaned up. Let's steam up this bathroom.
Is it working?
I can't tell.
There's like there's a line.
Yeah, there's a line, but I can't tell if it's just like slowly fogging or not fogging.
It's a definite hard line.
Yeah. Okay, so it's been steaming for like 5-10 minutes. You can definitely see a distinct difference. So if you wanted to, you could use this on glasses. If you didn't want them to fog, you use them for snowboarding even. Like that could be a great use, or even if you go scuba diving, just like to anti-fog the inside of your mask. All could be great uses. I don't know if I really love the film it produces. It's still kind of fuzzy when I look out of it. If you go like this, there's no water droplets. Completely defogs. So maybe it is a good defogger. I like it. So far, these life hacks are checking out. I'm very pleased and impressed with how they're all working, but there's one that I was incredibly skeptical about. Let's go check on that shirt that's had a whole day. It is the moment of truth. No way. I'm so impressed. The oil looks like it came out, the coffee came out, the ketchup is still there though. Not the best.
I'm shocked the coffee.
I know, that coffee was everywhere. Coffee's hard to get out of clothes too. I mean, ketchup's really hard to get out, but like, I'm shocked it got the coffee out. This is a win for me. So if you ever have a stain, an oil stain or anything, 10 out of 10 recommend putting dish detergent on it before you wash it to help really get those stains out and loosen up that grease and grime. That was a win. This was a win for me. If there's any other hacks that you guys want to see us test out for you, make sure you leave them down in the comments below and we'll give them a crack. Until then, make sure you check out one of these other videos or check out the podcast because it is hilarious. We just recently talked about farts on it and the science behind farts. Why would you miss that?